हेलो एवरीवन, सो वेलकम टू दिस एपिसोड ऑफ मार्केट क्या लगता है वीकली ऑब्जर्वेशंस, वीकली एनालिसिस. एंड दिस वीक is pretty interesting. I feel I'm so relaxed for a very simple reason that last couple of days there was no fear of missing out any trades. And as we could see, the major targets for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty were completed. So I chose not to trade for the bullish move. And trust me, the market is so volatile. The bullish buyings are not sustaining at this point in time, and eventually we are again going back to our Wednesday's closing levels. So let us go to Nifty charts and try to identify what is happening right now in Nifty and what do we expect in coming week, so that the market structure in a way it has become bearish, and is there any ray of hope for bulls to fight back, and what can be the best close that bulls can give us in this coming week. Let us try to identify that. So over to this Nifty charts now. Yep. So Nifty chart, what a fantastic week this has been. So while I was on a holiday in Konkan, we got this high of 18,134, and from those levels a steady decline till our target of 17,500. Comfortably we have crossed below the range as well, and all these three targets of 17,815, 17,730 and 17,631, these three targets are completed. Then to add to things, I on Thursday added one more target of 17,478. That target is also completed. So now we are sitting on a low risk buy entry. Are we willing to take this buy trade? That's the question. My answer is no. I don't want to trade in a bullish direction right now. I would love to observe for a couple of days more. Let the bounce be there. And what do we expect? Let's talk about it. First, let's remove these targets because the targets now are done and dusted. And we are right now at a range which is between 17,500 and 18,000. So now I need to change this range, and this weekly range is going to be between 17,700 and here I think we'll go to 17,000. Now this range is likely to be for the next couple of weeks 17,000 and 17,700. My best expectation is 17,600, but we might get a 100-point spike to speed up things. So now I'll removing this as well. Now looking at this entire range of fall, or even yesterday's day was not so euphorically bullish. Why I am suggesting that there might be a bounce? Number one, primary simple thing is that the volatility index is related with indices fall or rise. So if you take into account that the volatility index currently had rallied on Wednesday by about some 10-11%, and currently it is trading at 14.19. But surprisingly, even though market has closed lower than yesterday's closing, the volatility index has dropped by about 6%. So that in a way telling me that it's a preparation for the bounce in coming days. So Monday, Tuesday we might see some bounce. This is the volatility index chart. It is in front of us, and on the last day. So in spite of the fall, there has to be some rise in volatility. It is a 5-minute chart. So as you can see from this level, 23rd of February onwards, we are seeing some kind of a decline. So it's a preparation for a bounce. So there can be a bounce of another, let's say 100-200 point bounce is something that is possible in this particular week. So tomorrow I'll be prepared. There can be a bounce, and we have to just observe accordingly. If someone who's interested in trading intraday, you can definitely trade on an intraday setup. So how do we calculate target? So from this low to the high of 18,134, we have a 50% range somewhere around 17,776, 78. But I will not be so bullish on indices at this point in time. As per my understanding, the best bullish target that we can get will be somewhere around 17,694. This is 17,700, you can say bullish retracement target. So bullish retracement target can be this, and eventually once this target is done, we will look to short the indices again. This is what my expectation is, because the next targets that we are expecting is somewhere around 17,000 odd level. I'm reviewing this past calculations as well, so I'm trying to make this chart little clutter free. So the range, as we have discussed so far, is between 17,000 and 17,700. This is going to be a range, and eventually we might see a bounce up till 17,600 or 17,700 odd level. So the bounce is limited to 200 odd points, and that's how one should look at it. Don't be aggressively bullish at this point in time. As for Bank Nifty, again here the three targets that are completed: 40,584, 40,207 and 39,792. These targets are completed, so I'll just remove this. The best possible bullish scenario for Bank Nifty is about 40,500 odd level. So I'll just refine this range to 40,500. We'll keep a leeway of about 200 points. So 40,700, 40,700 to, I believe, 39,000. Yeah, 39,000. The next target is 39,225 for Bank Nifty. I need to adjust this. 40,700 and 39,000. Cool. So this is what my range looks like. I'm removing this calculations now, and the target that we are expecting is somewhere around 40,000. What should be the target? Yeah, so the target comes to around 40,551. This is the best possible bullish retracement target that I'm expecting. Okay, so this is how I'm looking at Nifty and Bank Nifty. Interesting part, the Rithik stocks, all Rithik stocks right now are below their daily 50 EMA. Don't get euphoric, don't be overly bearish. At this point in time, usually we get to see some bounce in market, and that bounce usually gives us a bounce that will be above the 50 EMA level, and that is something very important. Now I am not into any kind of a bullish trades right now. If you take a look at my orders or my open positions, there are none. I'm just enjoying these days, and whatever fall that we had planned, the trade that we had planned, we have got amazing results on that fall. So right now we are just chilling, waiting, expecting the next expected level to be breached, and from those levels, if we get a small entry, small stop loss entry, then we'll create short positions, short trades. So this is how I'm looking at it. The learning that we have seen today is that volatility index, while it is cooling off, it is indicating that there can be a bounce of around 150 to 200 points in Nifty, and that is something that I want you to observe in this week. And then just let me know in comments if you feel that we are going to get a sell signal. So whenever the sell signal comes on Tuesday, Wednesday, just post a comment that we have got a signal, so I will understand you are understanding the concepts like how we are trying to learn here, right? Thank you so much, guys. That's it from me. I'm signing off. Bye bye. Have a nice day.